once we swap the filter set, it'll stabilize.
Yeah, that should bring the numbers.
Exactly. Teams alert?
Brake torque high, immediate attention required.
Let's check it.
Hello everyone, I'm Juan Carlos. Today, I'd like to share a simple but powerful idea. It's something I've implemented before, and I can tell you, it works. Using real-time messaging tools like Microsoft Teams, WebEx, or WhatsApp, we can prevent process failures, identify frozen or drifting critical instruments faster, and even receive daily process reports automatically. Now, imagine a SAG mill running unattended. It's the night shift. There's only one operator, and it's neither reasonable nor possible to stay 8 or 12 hours constantly watching every variable on the DCS screens. Bearing pressure starts to increase. Pressure keeps building, and the control system can no longer stabilize the situation. Before anyone notices, the SAG mill slows down, pressure continues to climb, and a plant stoppage becomes a real risk. The alarm appeared on the SCADA, but no one saw it in time.
Now, imagine that same alarm automatically sending a message directly to operations, supervisor, and maintenance on Teams, WebEx, or WhatsApp instantly. They see it, they act right away, and downtime is avoided.
This same system can also send alerts when a pH probe drifts, when a flow meter loses signal, or when a main equipment shut down suddenly. Maintenance can respond faster, plan the repair sooner, and reduce the mean time to detect failure as well as mean time to repair, increasing overall availability. Keeping someone watching a screen for an entire 8-hour shift isn't real, and it isn't sustainable. But everybody has their phone in their pocket or in their hand. That's why real-time communication matters. It's fast, intuitive, and human. Using Teams, WebEx, or WhatsApp for smart process alerts is not just a technical solution. It's a way to connect culture, behavior, and automation. It allows us to respond faster, collaborate better, and build a stronger bridge between people and process. Every step like this brings us closer to a truly autonomous plant, where our goal is no longer to operate the process every minute, but to ensure it runs safely, efficiently, and intelligently. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more insights about process control, automation, and digital transformation in mining, follow me here or check out my upcoming project.